The significant surge in microfinance portfolio outstanding to reach 4 lakh crore rupees in India reflects the growing importance and reach of microfinance institutions MFIs in providing financial services to underserved communities. This substantial increase of 31% underscores the rising demand for microfinance products and services such as small loans, savings, and insurance among low income individuals and small businesses. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. A report reveals that a 23.2% year on year rise in the number of active loans has been seen, totaling 155 million. This increase indicates a growing demand for microfinance loans among individuals and small businesses in India. Additionally, loan disbursements experienced a significant uptick, climbing by 27.1% year on year to reach 89,043 crore rupees in the December quarter. The surge in loan disbursements reflects the efforts of microfinance institutions to meet the expanding financial needs of their clients. Moreover, microfinance entities disbursed 18.7 million loans during the same period, marking a nearly 10% increase compared to the previous year. This rise in loan disbursements further emphasizes the role of MFIs in extending credit access to the larger segment of the population, contributing to financial inclusion and socio-economic development. These statistics underscore the continued growth and impact of microfinance in India, highlighting its significance in providing essential financial services to underserved communities and fostering inclusive economic growth. Microfinance has proven to be a powerful tool for poverty alleviation and economic empowerment, enabling access to credit for those who are traditionally excluded from the formal banking sector. By extending financial services to marginalized groups, MFIs contribute to fostering entrepreneurship, improving livelihoods, and promoting financial inclusion across the country. Bihar emerged as the top state by gross loan portfolio, contributing significantly to the sector's growth. Notably, the top 10 states accounted for 83% of the national gross loan portfolio. However, it's crucial to ensure that the rapid expansion of microfinance is accompanied by reasonable lending practices and effective regulation to safeguard against over indebtedness and exploitation of borrowers. Maintaining transparency, fair interest rates, and adequate consumer protection measures are essential to sustain the positive impact of microfinance on poverty reduction and socio-economic development in India. Let's look into today's headlines. Download Masked Aadhaar to improve privacy. Download a Masked Aadhaar from UIDAI to improve privacy. Select masking when downloading to lower the chance of misuse. Use uppercase name, initials, and birth year as the password for extra protection, then confirm with OTP. It is intended to improve your security and privacy by lessening the possibility that someone else may misuse your entire Aadhaar number in the unlikely event that they manage to see your card. Orient Pro Solutions purchases Arya.ai in a 121 crore rupees deal. In a cash only transaction valued at roughly $16.5 million, around 121 crore rupees, Orient Pro Solutions Limited has successfully concluded the strategic acquisition of past startup Arya.ai, which specializes in banking and insurance. With the acquisition of a 67% share in Arya.ai, Orient Pro will get deep learning and artificial intelligence experience. Over 100 BFSI clients are served by Arya.ai's PaaS solution, which is heavily present in Southeast Asia and India. Apple's eco-friendly initiatives result in a 22% reduction in carbon emissions. The adoption of cleaner energy sources by Apple suppliers is largely responsible for the significant decrease in greenhouse gas emissions reported in the company's most recent sustainability report, from 20.6 million metric tons in 2022 to to 16.1 million metric tons in 2023, the IT giant's overall carbon dioxide emissions reduced. Apple has remarkably reduced its overall emissions by 55% since 2015. Amazon created a shell company to obtain Amazon created a shell company to obtain intelligence on competitors such as Walmart and Flipkart. According to a report, for a number of years, Amazon ran a shell company called Big River Services International to gather intelligence on competitors like Walmart, eBay, FedEx, and others. Although the project's primary goal was to target US based rivals, it also reached Flipkart in India mostly as a result of Walmart's 2018 acquisition of the company. DigiYatra users' data is secure info only kept on each person's mobile device. The DigiYatra Foundation stated that despite ongoing worries about user data privacy, DigiYatra does not save personally identifiable information on its passengers and that the personal data of Indian users is safe and secure. DigiYatra, which is based on facial recognition technology (FRT), enables frictionless and smooth passenger transit at airport checkpoints. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.